Welcome students. Now today we are going to see some important MCQs of applied science chemistry. Name of chapter is water treatment. It is for electronic group and civil and mechanical group. In the given diagram, name the hard adherent coating. See the diagram, and this coating is of scale because sludge is having loose precipitate. Therefore this diagram is of scale. The chemical oxygen demand, that is COD, measures the amount of oxygen for what, and the answer is C, that is required to oxidize organic matter. Then ultraviolet rays are used in water treatment for what? It is used for water treatment of disinfection, or it is also known as sterilization. That means second is the answer. The chemical formula of soda is Na2CO3. It is sodium carbonate. It is known as soda, which is used in water treatment. The gas that is liberated during batch cold lime soda process is which gas? And the answer is D, that is carbon dioxide is liberated during cold lime soda process, because in cold lime soda process we are using soda and it liberate carbon dioxide. The acid produced due to hydrolysis of chloride salt in water and causes boiler corrosion is which acid? It is hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Recycling of water, it is known as what? It is known as water reclamation. Then the hardness due to bicarbonate, it is known as which type of hardness? Bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium, it is known as temporary hardness, while the hardness which is due to chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium, it is known as permanent hardness. The sedimentation is used in wastewater treatment to remove what? The sedimentation, it is used to remove the suspended particles in water. The advantage of using bleaching powder is it is a good sterilizer. Therefore for sterilization bleaching powder is used. During ozonization, the nascent oxygen is formed due to what? It is formed due to decomposition of ozone gas. There is formation of molecular oxygen, that is O2 and O, which is known as nascent oxygen. Dash is used for water purification, refining of sugar and refractories. Lime, it is used for water purification, refining of sugar and refractories. In all these three, lime is used. Then permutate can be regenerated by treating it with solution of 10% NaCl. Then dash, it is used for determination of hardness of water. For determination of hardness of water, EDTA is used, that is, it is known as ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. In lime soda process of softening of water, carbonate and bicarbonates, which are removed by what? While sulfates and chlorides, these are removed by what? And the answer is carbonates and bicarbonates, they are removed by calcium hydroxide, while sulfates and chlorides, these are removed by soda. That means first is the answer. Then question number 16 is which of the following method gives soft water that is suitable for all types of boilers? Ion exchange process, it gives soft water. Ion exchange process, in this process both types of ions are removed, cations and anions, that therefore it gives soft water which is suitable for all types of boilers. Then question number 17 is chlorine gas when react with water, it form what? It form hypochlorous acid and nascent oxygen, and this nascent oxygen, it kills germs which are present in water. This process, it is known as chlorination. The phenomenon during which the boiled material becomes brittle due to accumulation of caustic soda, it is known as caustic embrittlement, because caustic soda is used in this process. Then question number 19 is complex silicates of several metallic and non-metallic oxides are known as what? These are known as zeolites, or these are also known as permutates. Then excess of chlorine should be avoided during sterilization of water because of what? Because carcinogenic material is formed. Therefore excess of chlorine should be avoided. Then question number 21 is hardness of water is mainly due to presence of salts of calcium and magnesium. In this case, there are bicarbonates, carbonates of calcium and magnesium, chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Therefore, hardness of water is there. On boiling temporary hard water, one of the product is formed, which is known as what? It is known as calcium bicarbonate. Precipitate of this calcium bicarbonate is formed. Then next is BOD test. It is carried out at which temperature and for how many days? BOD test, it is carried out at 20 degrees Celsius for 5 days. The indicator which is used for estimation of calcium hardness by EDTA, it is known as Erychrome black tea. That indicator is used. Then question number 25 is sludges are poor conductor of what? Sludges are poor conductor of heat. Now next question we will see in next part. Thank you.